In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the equalizer settings on your Android device. The equalizer allows you to adjust the balance of frequencies in the audio output, making it possible to enhance or reduce specific aspects of the audio. This can improve the quality of music and ensure a more tailored listening experience. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration. And then scroll down again and tap Sound Quality and Effects. Once you are on this page, you'll see the equalizer option. Just tap on it. As you can see, the equalizer is set to normal, but you can change it to any other preset, such as pop, classic, jazz, rock, or custom. To set a custom equalizer, you can adjust these sliders to your preference. This is exactly how you can change the equalizer settings on an Android phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.